So we're headed out to where we're gonna enroll our kids into school at. It's kind of a distance, lengthy drive. Drove past this spot and I was like, wow, this is absolutely beautiful, and made the decision that we're gonna make a stop and look at some sights.
Hi.
Hi. It's beautiful out here. Don't climb up, Gray.
Sidewalk.
Yep, there's a sidewalk down there. You can go look if you want. What do you think, Seabass? It's beautiful, huh? That boy is so sophisticated, it's almost obnoxious.